You invested in Uber at a $3 billion valuation?
Somewhere in that vicinity.
Now it's valued at $62.5 billion. Is Uber overheated? I mean, could they be? Someone suggested to me that Uber is next in store for a write-down.
Of course, I am completely biased. So anyone
Right.
watching this is going to say, well, he's completely biased. And I am, but you have a transformational company. When we invested, there were a lot of people that questioned, what are they doing? And we pushed all in. We put in a lot of money. It's our largest investment. We have over $300 million invested in the company, which is the size of our entire fund at the time. I think all along, at every stage of this company and many companies like this, people question, is it overpriced? Is it overpriced? They're doing something far more remarkable than we even thought when we invested. So I don't underestimate that team and the people that work there at all.
That said, things with Uber did get a little complicated because Google's interested in maps. Uber's interested in maps. Google's doing self-driving cars. Now Uber's doing self-driving cars. How are you navigating that relationship?
Well, we're investors in Uber, so that's our responsibility, is to try and help them build as big, successful, and important, useful a company as possible.
But now you guys compete.
We don't compete. We're the investors. You know, Tesla, Apple, everybody wants to be in cars and maps, and I think Travis was in it before it was really the hip thing to be in. And anytime you get companies that are the size of Uber and the importance of Apple, et cetera, they're going to bump into one another.